Hi everybody, today I decided to make some savings. So I wanna try something, and I decided to buy at Cop City, which is a famous store in Switzerland. So what did I buy for today? I buy I bought three things for $21.70, and so that's something because we prepare for the wedding with Nell and for future life together. So we need to make savings because life is costing more and more every day, every year, every month, and inflation grows all the time. And it means if we don't make savings now and investments, we will lose all our savings. So I make this video as a teaching that you can make for everyone. Even if you have children, you can play with them to make this challenge. So this is something I don't want to make something too hard for kids and for families, because some people just don't have a bunch every week or every day to put. So the challenge is the 100 envelopes challenge. So I bought 100 envelopes, and I bought small ones. So I show you the size I use. They are all small like that. So here are 50, and I also have another package of 50. So what we do on this is to write the amount. So first, on the first envelope, I will put 50 cents. So 0.50 Swiss francs, but you can do it in dollars, euros, all you want as money you use. So this is the first I do. Okay. And oh no, there are no envelopes. There are just cards. Oh, that doesn't matter. I will do it with the cards, and I will um, I will do my best to put every time in the box the same amount on virtual one. So every day I match what I do as savings, and we put it in a small box like this, and we just match them each time we put in the box. Usually you do it with envelopes. So we just choose with you can do it with many people, as many you want. If you do it with $1 each envelope more, you will save how much? In 100 days you can save $5,050 if you do it well. It means the first day you put 1, the second you put 2, and the 100th day you put 100. And when you arrive at the end of the challenge, you will save $5,050 by this way. So imagine you have 365 days a year. So how much can you save? You can save a bunch. You can save how much? For if you make $5,050, you do it 3.5 times. So it means you can save about 16,000 a year. It's a bunch. 16,000 a year, just like this. So I mean, let's try to do it. I do it with 50 cents. like this.